Today, we will explain how to fine-tune your image with edit tools. In the Edit section, you'll find a set of powerful tools located above your image. You can mirror your shot instantly. No need to reprompt anything. Just flip it to match the visual direction you have in mind. You can manually zoom in if the generated shot size doesn't quite match what you want. Make a quick adjustment, save it, and you're done. You can also zoom out. Simply click the zoom out icon and then select Extend. The AI will expand the frame and generate a wider version of your scene. You can add directional arrows as an overlay to visualize movement. Handy if you don't want to create a full animatic, but still want to communicate motion clearly. You can design a completely new background just by prompting it. It's a fast and easy way to experiment with different location ideas. With Inpaint, you can select a specific area of your image and prompt what you want it replaced with. This works especially well for color adjustments or adding small custom details. Using Search and Replace, you can tell the system to find something in the image and replace it with something else entirely. And finally, you can erase anything you don't want. Just select the area, click Erase, and the AI will remove it and blend the background naturally. These tools give you precise control over your shots, letting you refine visuals quickly without regenerating entire scenes.